Now I would like to invite Mr. Carel from Salesforce Dublin onto the stage to give the keynote address.
So first, before I start, who knows, or who uses Salesforce.com in the room? Who knows what we do? Okay, so I'd go, about a third of the room know what we do. So there's been a big change in Salesforce.com as a company, what we do, where we're going. You would have seen a lot of the word revolution being used. A lot of it is about, where has the company come from, where's it going to? So today what I want to do is I'm just going to take some time and just go through Salesforce.com, where it is in the market, where it is in the Middle Eastern region, what the aim is, what we see in the industry, how things are changing in businesses, how things are changing even in our personal lives, how computing and technologies driving those changes, and then give you a glimpse of our take on the social enterprise and what it really means. And from there on, I'm not going to delve too deep into what it is. We have a whole team of specialists here today that can help you with that and actually take you through it step by step. We are going to have a little focus on the Sales Cloud, which I think is one of the most important places to start, because that's where Salesforce.com started in 1999, Salesforce Automation. So just a bit of background on myself. I've been with Salesforce.com from probably mid-2000, 2005. And today I look after a team that run our emerging markets, so Africa, Middle East, Mediterranean countries, Russia, and so forth. And I hope that today's kind of presentation has a slant towards what's happening in the emerging markets rather than just what you had on the videos, which is kind of Americanized. So I promise not to say awesome today. I'll try. So just before we start, this is our safe harbor statement. Salesforce.com is a publicly traded company under the ticker symbol CRM. If you're really interested in it, you can read it up on our website. So I just want to start and say thank you very much for everybody that's here today. Thank you for our customers that are here. We've had some great successes in the Middle Eastern region. We have some great companies, and it's growing all the time. I think that's the one thing about Salesforce is that everything keeps on growing. We grow our customer numbers. We grow different numbers from it. And that's down to you, and that's what we want to say thank you, first of all. You are the reason why we are here. You are the reason why we can innovate as a company. Actually, let's see if I can get this one to work. Great, there we go. So a lot of times that we bring up this slide, people ask me, it's really what's important here. Salesforce.com has proven that cloud computing works. We've taken it from an idea to the biggest cloud company out there. And the real reason that's important is because it provides you with the security that Salesforce.com, as a successful company, can help you grow your business the same way that we have. We use our own systems, we develop our systems, and as the #1 innovative company out there right now, we can grow with you, regardless of your business type, regardless of your industry, regardless of where you are or where you want to be. Salesforce.com will be there with you. Because really we started the company when Mark Benioff, our founder and CEO, founded it in 1999. It was to change the way that software was delivered. In those days, you had to buy a server, and you had to buy hardware, and you had to buy a whole stack and make sure everything was working just in order to run any kind of application in your business. And his question at the time was, why can enterprise software not be as easy as using Amazon.com? So I take it if I asked who's just used Amazon or who used eBay, it will probably be a fair show of hands. And that was the real reason for Salesforce.com. And it happened at the right time because CRM was primed and poised to make that impact in 1999. And it's been the driver for us. And we want to change the way that the world is done. It's not just about us. It's about what other companies do as well. So you don't just see Salesforce.com. It's applications are moving to the cloud, whether it be CRM or HR or finance or supply chain management. All of these today are running in the cloud. The cloud can work for your business regardless of what type of business you're in. And it's not just applications that are moving to the cloud. We also have platforms. Companies like Amazon and Google have provided platforms for development, just like Salesforce. Salesforce.com has given you the power to take our platform and go build another Salesforce.com if you wanted to. We have a bit of a 10-year head start, but that's the power that we have today, is that in the cloud you can even develop. There are companies using Salesforce.com today as their platform for development. It's a complete shift of where it was, that it was always about what you could do yourself. And I think one of the biggest changes we've seen, and this comes from the likes of Facebook and Twitter, is that the world around us has changed. The way we interact. 5 years ago or 10 years ago, if I said you were going to share your pictures of what you did on a Friday night out and everybody in the world could see it, you would say that's never going to happen. Now, that's one part of Facebook, but the real part of Facebook is what does it do for business? How has it changed our lives? Because today people are connected. They want to collaborate. It's no longer about just sending an email. It's about having feeds and having information sent to you. And all those details coming through to you, Salesforce.com have gone and said, we can do that in the business as well. In the enterprise, you can do it through a product called Chatters, rather than, so you can look at it as Facebook for business, but it is secure and it is private. So how have we done this? Why the cloud model? Why should we care? What does it do? So one of the good things about the cloud model is that, you know, because it's based on multi-tenancy,